I should do the entire video like this. Nah. This was an Anycubic Mega Zero 2.0. Again, just like my Creality and my Elegoo, this was bought used. I got this off of Amazon. I've done a lot of different things with it. I've made masks, I've made helmets, and now I'm making a video. I've done a lot of different things with it. A different hood for it. I've put on bigger fans. I've put on bed level. I've put on a Raspberry Pi. What I'm going to show you is the simple things about it. First of all, it is a gantry style machine, as in it's just got this big old bridge up on top. That bridge itself holds the spool of filament. This is PLA filament that I've been using lately. What I also have on there, on the back of it, can I turn it around with one hand? Oh god damn, I am so strong. Sorry ladies, I am taken. On the back of this machine are two different motors on each side, here and back over in there, with two different Z-rods. This is the part that goes up and down. So you have an up and down, you have a left to right, and you have a forward and back. An X, a Y, and a Z, or Z. I made this, I bought this, I actually have 4 of these because I kept on buying the wrong size. I got different new motors for both sides actually. I think the motor in the back, no, the motor in the back is the only thing that's original. There's also a motor down here underneath for the extruder. The extruder is the thing that takes this wonderful spool of plastic, comes right down in here into this little extruder that goes into that blue Bowden tube right there. It comes out through this mess of tangle of wires. So strong, like ox, like bull. It comes out of this tangle of wires and everything. Cable management is real. And then it comes down into the nozzle. I have an all-metal Creality nozzle. Yes, we started off with an Anycubic machine. We went into a Creality extruder gear, and then into a Creality Spider 2, yeah, the Spider 2.0, with 50 millimeter fans, with, yeah, 50 by 10 and a 50-15 side blower, whatever it's called. And that goes into the namesake of the machine, the Frankenstein. So Frankenstein here, this blue area, that is the entire thing that holds it together. Blows out the bottom right by the nozzle and everything. So there, as you can see, it says Creality. Hello. And it's just using a regular brass nozzle. Simple thing though. Here's the machine itself. You've got a power unit. It sends power to those motors that I showed you before and to the motherboard that's inside of this box, which yes, I 3D printed that too. The original motherboard in this box, replaced. Everything needs replacing. I also put a Raspberry Pi on there. I got the cable camera and everything, so I can take little pictures of this. These little blue slot things right here, oh, I've made all this too, the green stuff. Everything, you can make a 3D printer on a 3D printer. Mind-blowing. There are so many different YouTube channels that will tell you exactly how to put together a Raspberry Pi camera for time lapses. There's one that'll show you how to make a dual Z-rod, like I showed you here on the back, how to change out the extruder gears. I learned it all from YouTube. That's the easiest thing you can do. Before I do anything, I always do a little bit of research. This, I researched for the longest time. Same with this. That's why I didn't get this for, 2023. I got this in 2019. Yeah, a few years difference. But there's amazing things that you can make with this. I've made wonderful tanks. I've made masks. Daredevil. That's it. I made a Daredevil mask. I'll take a, I'll put that in here too. I printed that entire thing on here, but I did that all on this machine. I've had so much fun with this machine. This is something that you can play around with. It's magic because of what you can actually think of up here. You can put onto your little computer. As I said, either Windows, Apple. I've got everything on my Chromebook, and I can run everything for this off of a Chromebook. I can run everything for this off of a Chromebook. Again, stuff I learned online on YouTube. I'll link as much as I possibly can down below. But get yourself one of these things. As I said, if you can think about easily making a little gecko, flexi gecko for your kids, or sensory stuff. I mean, these things are great. Print in place, it's done. But overall, this is something that everybody needs, I think. Put a 3D printer in your house. You can make so many things. Again, I'm gonna throw in some stuff. My paints, all the shelves behind me and in this room. Again, gonna put that right here. I made half the shelves in this room, or all the shelves in this room, or the shelf brackets, through my printer. It's easy. It's wonderful. It's great. I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna go and edit this video and see what happens. So, this thing even recording? I mean, hello?